Oh boy, I'm back again for this shit, bro. Alright, so today we will be playing Ponytown again. Yeah, it's a classic. I'm right here, as you could see. Hold on, let me zoom in on myself. Me, my precious face, my beautiful purple face. We will be walking around this beautiful world. Yeah, it's pretty boring, but that's the fun of it. That's what makes Ponytown Ponytown. A town of ponies walking around and talking to people they meet online. Basically all the game is. But that's kinda what it makes it entertaining. What the hell is going on down over there? Well, that just looks like a place I definitely don't want to be in. So we out. Going out of here. I'm looking for like a lake I was at earlier with like a friend in this game. It's kind of hard to find, considering this map is big as hell. Need to get to this lake so I can find things. I thought this was the lake for a second. I swear this lake is so goddamn hard to find, dude. Oh, I found it. No, I didn't. No, I found it now. Here it is. The lake. And I will sit down here in this lake where I will end this video.